Have you ever wondered why so many Ford F-150 owners spend thousands of dollars upgrading their trucks, yet leave their cargo exposed to rain, theft, dust, and harsh weather? Here's a surprising fact. A high-quality hard tonneau cover can do much more than protect your gear. It can improve your truck's appearance, enhance aerodynamics, increase security, and even help maximize everyday practicality. But with dozens of options on the market in 2026, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's exactly why we've done the research for you. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best hard tonneau covers for the Ford F-150, comparing security, durability, weather resistance, ease of use, cargo access, and overall value, so you can confidently choose the perfect cover for your truck. Make sure to stick around until the end, because our #1 pick offers a unique advantage that many truck owners don't even realize they need until they experience it firsthand. And as always, all the links are in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the Autosaver 88 FARP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. And if you're searching for a budget-friendly hard cover that still delivers impressive protection and durability, this one deserves your attention. One of the biggest surprises about the Autosaver 88 is how much value it packs into a relatively affordable package. Designed specifically for 2015 through 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5.5-foot bed, this cover combines a fiberglass reinforced polymer exterior with an internal polypropylene honeycomb structure, creating a lightweight yet remarkably strong platform capable of supporting up to 450 pounds of static weight. That's actually a higher weight rating than some more expensive competitors on today's list, which immediately makes it stand out. In day-to-day use, the cover performs exceptionally well, remaining stable at highway speeds while producing very little wind noise or vibration. The low-profile appearance also gives the truck a cleaner and more premium look compared to many soft roll-up covers. Installation is another major advantage because the entire process is completely drill-free and can usually be completed in around 20 minutes using 6 adjustable clamps. If you're someone who hates complicated installations, you'll appreciate how straightforward this setup is. Security is also a major step up from soft covers because the hard panels lock securely when the tailgate is closed, helping protect valuable tools, equipment, or outdoor gear. Now, compared to the Tutel at number 3 and the Gator EFX at number 4, the Autosaver 88 offers similar basic functionality but comes in at a lower price point. However, those higher ranked options offer slightly more refined construction and better overall weather sealing. Compared to premium models like the BAK Flip MX4 and TruXedo Sentry CT, the biggest compromise is bed accessibility. When folded, the Autosaver 88 blocks part of the truck bed, limiting space for oversized cargo unless the cover is removed entirely. Weather resistance is generally strong, though some users may notice minor moisture intrusion near the tailgate corners during pressure washing. Still, considering its price, security, durability, and impressive weight capacity, the Autosaver 88 remains one of the best values available for budget-conscious F-150 owners. If saving money while still getting dependable hardcover protection sounds appealing, this could be exactly what you're looking for. What do you think about this option? Would you choose it over some of the more expensive models? Let me know in the comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we have the Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a model that strikes an excellent balance between affordability and premium level construction. If the Autosaver 88 is the budget champion of this list, the Gator EFX takes things a step further by introducing aircraft-grade aluminum construction and a more refined overall design. Built specifically for 2021 through 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5.7 bed, including compatibility with both Raptor and Lightning variants. This cover is designed for truck owners who want serious protection without jumping all the way into premium 4-figure pricing. Right away, the aluminum panel construction makes a noticeable difference. The semi-gloss black powder coated finish not only looks fantastic, but also provides excellent resistance against corrosion, damage, and everyday wear. On the road, the Gator EFX sits flush against the bed rails, creating a sleek factory-installed appearance while helping reduce wind drag and unwanted noise. One of my favorite features is the dual slam latch system combined with a simple pull cable release, making operation quick and convenient from either side of the truck bed. Weather protection is another area where this cover shines. The integrated drainage system and FDM rubber seals do an excellent job of keeping cargo dry even during heavy rainstorms. While a small amount of moisture may occasionally enter during aggressive car washes, overall protection remains impressive for the price range. Compared directly to the Autosaver 88, the Gator EFX feels more premium thanks to its aluminum construction and refined hardware. However, compared to the Tutel at number 3, things get interesting. The Tutel's polymer panels resist dents and stay cooler in direct sunlight, while the Gator counters with a more rugged metallic feel and enhanced premium aesthetics. Against the BAK Flip MX4, the Gator offers excellent value but can't match the MX4's full bed accessibility, unlike the MX4, which folds completely upright for unrestricted cargo space. The Gator only exposes about 2/3 of the bed unless removed. Nevertheless, for many truck owners, that limitation is a worthwhile trade-off considering the price difference. Overall, the Gator EFX delivers an impressive combination of security, durability, weather protection, and sleek styling that places it comfortably above most mid-range competitors. If you're looking for something that feels premium without requiring a premium budget, this might be the sweet spot. But what would you choose? Better value or maximum functionality? Let me know your thoughts down below. Number 3. Taking the number 3 spot is the Tutel Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, and this is where the competition starts getting seriously impressive. What makes the Tutel unique is its innovative EnduraShield construction, a high-tech automotive-grade polymer designed to resist scratches, dents, fading, and extreme temperatures. While many tonneau covers rely heavily on aluminum panels, Tutel takes a different approach, and the results are surprisingly effective. Designed for 2015 through 2026 Ford F-150 trucks with a 5-foot bed, this cover offers an excellent blend of durability, convenience, and affordability. One of the first things owners notice is how cool the surface remains even under intense sunlight. That's a significant advantage over traditional metal covers, especially for truck owners living in hotter climates. The polymer panels are reinforced with a sturdy aluminum frame and powder-coated hinges, creating a lightweight yet durable design capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the pre-assembled jaw grip clamp system. No drilling is required, and most users can complete installation in under 20 minutes. In real-world conditions, the Tutel performs extremely well. Security is excellent because access requires opening the locked tailgate first, creating an additional layer of protection for your cargo. Weather sealing is also dependable, preventing most rain, snow, and debris from entering the bed. Like many trifold covers, occasional minor leakage may occur around the tailgate area during severe weather or pressure washing, but for everyday use, protection remains strong. When compared to the Gator EFX, the Tutel's polymer construction offers superior resistance to dents and heat buildup, making it a great choice for owners concerned about cosmetic damage. Compared to the Autosaver 88, it feels more refined and premium while still remaining relatively affordable. However, like both of those covers, it lacks the full bed access offered by the BAK Flip MX4 and TruXedo Sentry CT. If hauling oversized equipment is a frequent part of your routine, those premium options may better suit your needs. But for drivers seeking an exceptional balance of durability, weather protection, security, and value, the Tutel is difficult to beat. It's one of those rare products that feels more expensive than its actual price tag suggests. So here's the question: would you prioritize dent-resistant polymer construction or the premium aluminum feel of the Gator EFX? Drop your answer in the comments below. Number 2. Sliding into the number 2 position is the Real Truck BAK BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a product that many Ford F-150 owners consider the benchmark for premium hard-folding covers. In fact, if full bed accessibility, heavy-duty security, and professional-grade construction are your top priorities, some people would argue that this deserves the number 1 spot. Designed specifically for 2015-2020 Ford F-150 models with a 5.7 bed, The BAK Flip MX4 is engineered to deliver a level of versatility that most competitors simply can't match. Right away, the aircraft-grade aluminum panels and matte black powder-coated finish create a rugged, premium appearance while providing excellent resistance against scratches, dents, UV exposure, and harsh weather conditions. The cover is rated to support up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it one of the strongest options on this list. But where the MX4 truly separates itself from the Autosaver 88, Gator EFX, and Tutel is its unique quad-folding design. Unlike traditional trifold covers that block part of your bed when opened, the MX4 can fold completely upright against the cab using integrated prop rods, giving you full 100% access to your truck bed without removing the cover. For contractors, tradespeople, and anyone hauling oversized cargo regularly, that's a game-changing advantage. Everyday usability is equally impressive thanks to spring-loaded slam latches, integrated pull cables, and a dual-action tailgate seal that allows the tailgate to close whether the cover is open or shut. Weather protection is among the best in the industry, with advanced drainage channels and FDM rubber seals working together to keep cargo dry even during severe rainstorms. While a tiny amount of moisture may occasionally appear during high-pressure washes, real-world protection is outstanding. Compared to the Gator EFX and Tutel, the MX4 delivers superior bed access and a more premium overall experience. Compared to the #1 ranked TruXedo Sentry CT, however, there is one notable trade-off. When fully open, the MX4 stands upright against the cab and can partially block rear window visibility. That's something some drivers won't mind, but others may find inconvenient when transporting large loads. Still, for sheer versatility, durability, and functionality, the BAK Flip MX4 remains one of the most respected tonneau covers available in 2026. If your truck is a daily workhorse and you refuse to compromise on utility, this cover earns every bit of its premium reputation. Do you think complete bed access is worth spending extra money for? Let me know in the comments, because this is where opinions usually get divided. #1. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list of the best hard tonneau covers for the Ford F-150 in 2026 is the Real Truck TruXedo Sentry CT hard rolling truck bed tonneau cover. Now, this was an incredibly close battle between the Sentry CT and the BAK Flip MX4. In fact, both are premium products that outperform most of the competition in terms of security, weather protection, and overall quality. But the reason the Sentry CT ultimately claims the top position comes down to one feature that dramatically improves everyday usability: unrestricted bed access while maintaining full rear window visibility. That's a combination that very few hard covers can deliver effectively. The Sentry CT uses an innovative hybrid design that combines heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum slats with premium matte black Pro X15 woven fabric. The result is a cover that looks incredibly sleek and modern while still providing the strength and security expected from a hard tonneau cover. It sits ultra low against the bed rails, creating one of the cleanest and most premium-looking profiles available for the F-150. In real-world use, the cover performs exceptionally well. Its industrial-grade sealing system does an outstanding job of keeping cargo protected from rain, dust, and road debris. Like every cover on this list, minor moisture intrusion can occasionally occur around the tailgate during pressure washing, but overall weather resistance remains excellent. The biggest advantage appears when you need full access to your truck bed. Unlike the BAK Flip MX4, which folds upright and can block rear visibility, the Sentry CT rolls neatly into a compact bundle behind the cab, preserving a clear rear view while still allowing you to haul oversized cargo. That's a huge benefit for drivers who frequently transport motorcycles, furniture, construction materials, camping equipment, or other large items. Compared to the Autosaver 88, Gator EFX, and Tutel, the Sentry CT feels significantly more premium and versatile. Compared to the BAK Flip MX4, the choice becomes more personal. The MX4 offers greater top-load capacity and a more traditional hard panel design, while the Sentry CT delivers superior visibility and a smoother overall user experience. At around $1,100, it certainly isn't cheap, but for truck owners who want the best combination of security, style, convenience, and practicality, it's hard to find a more complete package. That's why it earns our #1 ranking for 2026. But now it's your turn. Would you pick the Sentry CT or the BAK Flip MX4? Let me know down in the comments because I'd love to hear your opinion. And there you have it, our picks for the 5 best hard tonneau covers for the Ford F-150 in 2026. From the budget-friendly value of the Autosaver 88 to the premium construction of the Gator EFX, the dent-resistant durability of the Tutel, the unmatched functionality of the BAK Flip MX4, and the outstanding all-around versatility of the TruXedo Sentry CT, there's truly an option here for every type of F-150 owner. The best choice ultimately depends on your budget, how often you access your truck bed, the level of security you need, and whether maximum visibility matters to you when hauling larger cargo. If you're still undecided, go back through the rankings and think about which features matter most for your daily driving and work routine. We'd also love to hear from you. Which tonneau cover would you put at #1? Do you agree with our rankings or would you switch things around? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest truck reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. And remember, all the links are in the description below if you want to check out any of the tonneau covers featured in today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.